Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to do a very beautiful yet simplistic backdrop that you can use for any kind of table spread or any event in the back. We're going to need some ribbon, glue dots, foam flower, paper flower, and some table runners. For this look, obviously, you want to match all the colors together. We're going to show you one of our lavender flowers here. They do come in different sizes, so we'll make sure to link everything below as usual. And what we're doing is basically just fluffing out or pulling up all of the individual paper petals here. It does have different layers with different size petals. I really love it because it gives such great volume here, and it's super light. So whatever you hang it up on, you won't have to worry about, it falling down during the party. It kind of just floats. Now here is one of our 16-inch blush paper flowers. So the larger one is the 16 inches. So in the back, as you can see, it has kind of like some felt where you can use to hang it up on stuff. So now we're just showing you 3 different kinds of our table runners here, and we're just bringing them together with some ribbon. Obviously, you're not going to be seeing the ribbon once you put the flowers in front. This is a really great hack, especially if you've had quite a few events and you have some table runners left over. This is great to kind of pair it together. So we're just kind of securing our blush flower here, and then we're pairing it with these really, really cute 8-inch ivory foam flowers. I love these as well. They keep their shape magnificently and they look really, really good together as well. Super light, and they also have a pin and some Velcro on the back to hang it up on whatever that you choose to hang it on. So we're just using some glue dots. You can also use obviously a pin or some double stick tape, whatever works for you. If you guys are also new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe. We do upload every single week, kind of give you tips, tricks, and ideas for your events, and also how-tos like this. So there you go. Very simple, as you can see. Just pair a couple of foam flowers with our big paper flowers. As you can see, they come in all different kinds of colors here, and these peony flowers just give great volume, like I mentioned, and look fantastic with any event. So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.